The Raintree HOA restoration project was performed in the fall of 2019 and consisted of 72 separate structures with over 260 residential units. Beyond the size and scope of the work, what made this project noteworthy was the consulting and advising provided by LR Contracting's sales and management teams. LR Contracting first met with the Raintree HOA board in the summer of 2015. We performed a courtesy site inspection for hail damage. None was found. At the same time, our sales consultant reviewed the HOA's pre-existing insurance policy and coverage stipulations. We discovered their policy included a $1.5 million deductible for hail claims. What that meant was that the HOA was effectively self-insured in the event the property was hit by hail. LR Contracting made recommendations and worked with the HOA and their property management team to obtain the HOA new property insurance with an integrated deductible buyback policy. This brought the deductible down to a much more manageable $300,000. Now, instead of going to the unit owners for additional funding, the HOA could pay the deductible from its existing cash reserves. A few years later, Raintree HOA was hit by a hailstorm with damage to its roofs and gutter systems. LR Contracting was hired to be the roofing contractor for the restoration project. Initially, the claim was denied by the carrier. Again, LR Contracting advised the HOA on the next steps to take. We advised hiring a public adjuster to establish and settle the claim with the insurance provider. We've worked with over 30 different public adjusters and know the public adjuster that fits this type of project. The PA was hired, the claim approved, and the project scope and pricing negotiations began. Thanks to LR Contracting's consulting and advising assistance, the HOA was put in a more manageable insurance position and matched up with the best public adjuster for their needs. In the end, the claim was settled for over $2 million and the restoration project was a complete success. LR Contracting is not just an exceptional roofing installer, we are a partner that you need to ensure the success from start to finish. Work with LR Contracting and see what we mean when we say, experience the LR difference.